Humans will not be able to compete with AI humans at all.
Hello guys, so this is actually a video from somebody who's running multiple AI influencers in multiple niches, and I'm going to show you how to build hyper-realistic AI influencers and how to turn these AI influencers pictures into hyper-realistic videos. But first, watch this.
Humans will not be able to compete with AI humans at all. Nope, they're gonna be cheap. I'd rather pay an influencer that looks just like you, that has just as many followers as you. I mean, there's real pressure coming. It's called virtual influencers.
Okay guys, so the very first step is heading to Fooocus Colab. So you're going to find the link below this video, and once you get here, you click on play and then you accept. Okay guys, so now that it's loaded, you're going to get like two links. So you click on this gradio.live. So here is our platform for image generation. So the first thing is clicking here on advanced. So this way we get this part. So to not get very confused, because there's a lot of options, I'm going to show you like the main things that we are going to be using to generate our AI influencer. So the first part is here, like where we put the prompt. So I'm going to copy paste like the prompt I used for the generation of our cute lady. So here is the prompt. Next, the negative prompt. So this is basically the things that we don't want to have in our image generation. And voila. So like for this, the main importance is like not safe for work, so we don't get like some naked generations and stuff. Next part, here you choose like the speed of generation. Either it goes like super fast, like extreme speed, or lightning, or hyper SD, or eventually you go with quality and you get like better quality image generation. It's just that it takes more time to generate. I work all the time with speed, like it's quite efficient. Then the next part is here, the style. So here you basically choose which, it's a kind of addition to the prompt that you will write. Like you can add some extras to the, so like each one will give you like some different results. And I believe it's worth like checking all of these and like doing some generations. Like what I do normally is I remove all of these. So like focus mainly on my prompt and not on these additions. So now that this is fixed, next thing is the number of image generation. And this is like also very like really amazing. Like you can, in one batch, you can generate up to 26 or 32 pictures. Then the next part is this one. So like this is the aspect ratio. So like depending on what type of pictures you want to generate, for example, if it is a story, it will be like 1:2, eventually like 3:5. To not make the video very, very long, let's start with our generation and keep on moving forward.
I'm an AI influencer, taking the lead on your Instagram feed.
Once you are satisfied with one of the generations that you have for your AI influencer, the next step is hitting the Dream Machine. It's by Luma Labs and it's kind of a serious competitor for Sora. So yeah, once in here, like you hit try now and you create an account. Like you can create one with your Gmail account and you get 30 free generations. And yeah, for example, like for this one, what I did is like you come to upload the picture because you can do either like text prompt to video or picture to video. So in our case, like we're gonna use the best picture that we have from our AI influencer, and then you upload it in here and you add your prompt. And here you have it. You have your AI influencer's pictures and your AI influencers videos, and you're good to go.
Can you please stop calling me an AI influencer? I'm more than that.
I think she's right. If you want to put these AI avatars that you create into work and look for a solid blueprint, you might not want to miss the offer I'm doing for my program AI Influencers Mastery. So if you join now, it's like 40% off, and you get a bonus as a bonus AI CASHFLOW, my other program about organic traffic. And like with this, and especially like AI Influencers Mastery, you gonna really unlock the game, because image generation or video generation, it's like less than 20% of the whole thing, because what we are doing in here is more of organic traffic and social media marketing, and I've got you covered. Like, we go really heavy on these things. This is it for this video. If interested, like, join, take action before the offer ends, and see you in the next one. Cheers.